I wanna hear your voice, but I don't want you to call. I wanna see you, girl, but not see you at all. I wanna make up, but I still wanna fight. I wanted to break up, but it just don't feel right. I hate you, you hate me, but still can't escape. We in all the bullshit we've been going through lately. Heartbroke, love struck, telling y'all it ain't me. Life without you, girl, is something that I can't see. I ain't gon' lie, say I don't get lonely, but it's only so much I can kick it with the homies. And somebody told me you already moved on. I broke up with you, you ain't supposed to get your groove on. Not now, at least wait a couple weeks. Got me looking like a chump with my business in the streets. Been a couple weeks, but it feel like you still there. No matter how I clean, I'm still finding your hair or some shit you forgot, or I'm standing in that spot where you came so hard I didn't think that you would stop. But quiet as it's kept, I know you miss me just a little. Wash the sheets when you left, but still smell you on my pillow. And everything I do, it reminds me of you. And everything I see, it reminds me of we. And every time I lust, it reminds me of us. Girl, I wanna stay together cause I hate breaking up. Everything I do, it reminds me of you. And everything I see, it reminds me of we. And every time I lust, it reminds me of us. Girl, I wanna stay together cause I hate breaking up. You didn't call me last night, what you trying to be strong? Or call yourself stupid when you finally hear this song? Cause I would've took you back, I was waiting to in fact. All you had to do was holler, girl, I would've just collapsed and fell into a trap and started to relapse. And your ass never called, so it just never happened. Now I'm thinking Jasmine, Tanya, Shireen, some exes I could call that'll probably ease the pain. I try to follow through, but I wind up calling you. Hanging up before a ring, girl, it's really all on you. But you wanna get into it, make me mad, push my buttons, got us tripping over little stuff that don't mean nothing. I was sick of the suffering, the fighting, the fussing. What happened to the love and the late night discussions about children and family, the future, the planning? Now it's all over cause you couldn't understand me. And everything I do, it reminds me of you. And everything I see, it reminds me of we. And every time I lust, it reminds me of us. Girl, I wanna stay together cause I hate breaking up. Everything I do, it reminds me of you. And everything I see, it reminds me of we. And every time I lust, it reminds me of us. Girl, I wanna stay together cause I hate breaking up. Started missing you again last night, till I remembered all the reasons that your ass loved to fight. It's like, dude, I really wanted this to work, but you gotta get your shit together first. And what's worse, I really wanted you to stay, but I needed you to leave cause we was fighting every day. Alright, not every day, I know that that's a lot on it. We was supposed to be companions, we was more like opponents. Don't this song make you wanna do it one more time? Could I still be the only dude that's on your mind? I'm too proud to beg, but I'm hoping that you not. I would take you back quick, girl, without a second thought, but I'm caught up in my pride and I can't make the call. Didn't wanna break up, just to break, that's all. It's been a long time, I know I probably shouldn't have left you, cause you're the only woman that I wanna sleep next to. And everything I do, it reminds me of you. And everything I see, it reminds me of we. And every time I lust, it reminds me of us. Girl, I wanna stay together cause I hate breaking up. Everything I do, it reminds me of you. And everything I see, it reminds me of we. And every time I lust, it reminds me of us. Girl, I wanna stay together cause I hate breaking up. You say you sick of me and I say I'm sick of you, but we crazy about each other, girl, what we gon' do? Said I needed you to leave, but I hate to see you go. Can't make up my mind, girl, I just don't know. I wanna make this work, but I'm sick of the struggle, girl. What I gotta do to make you realize I love you? I ain't gon' lie, sometimes I just don't feel you, but find another man and I just might kill you.